Stephen Gardner said, "The mystery is what prompted men to leave caves, to come out of the womb of nature." Hi everybody, you're watching a Happy Trails Hiking Park Travel Short. Today, we're exploring Rock Bridge Memorial State Park in Missouri. Rock Bridge Memorial State Park is located just outside Columbia, Missouri. We were drawn to this state park because of its many natural features. The one that we had heard the most about was Devil's Icebox. The Devil's Icebox Boardwalk leads you to the 125-foot-long natural tunnel. Throughout the park, you'll notice many sinkholes, caves, underground streams, and small springs. Devil's Icebox Cave has a total mapped passage distance of 6.5 miles. It includes Connor's Cave, which can be explored on your own, as well as Devil's Icebox Cave, which is closed to the public to protect the bats. The history of the area focuses on the stream that exits Devil's Icebox Cave. It was used as a source of power for the settlers in the 1800s. A stone dam was built at the Rock Bridge to help harness the water's power and operate a grist mill. The first paper mill west of the Mississippi River was established on the site in 1834, followed by a whiskey distillery in 1847. There was also a blacksmith shop, a store, and several homes. They comprised the thriving community of Rock Bridge Mill, later named Pierpont. If you are in the Columbia, Missouri area, we highly recommend that you stop by Rock Bridge Memorial State Park. Till next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.